welcome to our weekly garden check-in. My name's Kelsey, children's educator here at Ginter Botanical Garden, and this week for our check-in we're planting in the farm garden, and I've got two friends behind me. We've got Henry and June, and they're going to be helping us plant today. So guys, what are we planting?
Today we have some lettuce and we have onions. We're planting them together because it saves space and they like to be planted together.
I have some calendula and some mustard.
Now June is going to demonstrate how we plant.
So the first thing that you want to do is dig a hole the right size for the plant. If you think that it's deep enough, then you can take this and like sort of put it in there.
You can check it.
Yeah, check it and add a little bit more, dig a little bit more if you want. And then what you want to do is gently take the plant out of its pot.
Are those the roots?
Yes.
Let's see the roots. Can you show the camera? Cool.
And if there's a lot of roots and they're sort of uptight, then you might want to sort of tease them a little bit, sort of like go like that. And then you want to put it in your hole and cover it back up and sort of go like that so you can make it look all pretty and it sort of looks like it was there all along.
Perfect. And then what will we do later?
Water it.
Wow, thanks for the planting lesson, June, and for the information about how lettuce and onions like to grow together in the garden, Henry, and for all of your hard work planting today. We got all of our lettuce and onion and mustard and calendula planted in the garden, and everything looks so good. And we're really looking forward to a productive spring here in the farm garden. Thanks so much for checking in, and I hope you have a great week. See you next time.